Today we're going to demo the St. Louis County Library app on an Android device running on the latest operating system called Lollipop. And you can see here that the app has a lot of great colors, channel icons, clearly named channels, as well as a bottom nav bar which allows your patrons to easily navigate from the home screen, run a search against the catalog, go to the My Account feature. And the My Account feature is really great because it's a location where your patrons can, stay informed of what items that they currently have checked out, anything that they have placed on hold, as well as an overdue balance if they have one of those. So going back to the home screen, I'm going to run a catalog search here for a book by Stephen Colbert. So using the smart prefix search, you see that it quickly is able to sift through the catalog's holdings to find the books that I'm looking for. And once I find the book that I'm looking for, I just simply tap the book and it pops up with an image of the book so that I can verify that that is the one that I had in mind. A little quick summary about it, but most importantly, it tells me where it is and is not available. So if it's not available at my current branch, I could decide whether I want to have it transferred from another branch or just wait until the book gets returned. And then the next feature I want to show you here is the download eMedia, which is their Overdrive integration. And you can see here that it allows them to easily manage their digital account. They just verify that, this is who they are. And then we can go back to the home screen here just to give you an idea of what it looks like. If they wanted to look at a book, they could just scroll through here. They could run a search by title, and the information is actually displayed very much so like it is from the catalog search. It gives them an image of the book, the author, whether it's available now or not, and a quick synopsis of the book so that they can see if it still interests them. The next feature I'd like to show you is actually going to be the book look feature. And this uses the device's camera to quickly scan the barcode of a book. Here we go. There you go. And once it has that image, it runs a search against the library's catalog to see if any ISBNs match it, and then if so, if any of those titles are currently available. And you can see here that 3 of them are available right now. One of them is an electronic resource. I'm going to click on the physical book here, and you can see it's displayed just like it was if I was doing a catalog search. You got the picture of the book, a summary, and also where it's available and where it's currently not available. Returning back to the home screen here, you can see that St. Louis County Library also has Hoopla, Tumble Books, and Zinio integrations. And here's a channel where your patrons can easily figure out how to connect with you, to ask you questions. They can call, email. If you have text, we can incorporate that. If your library has a chat function, we're able to incorporate that as well. And let's go to the calendar of events. And St. Louis County Library is using eVanced, and they have a couple of advanced functions in here that allow them to separate out by audience, type, location. But we're just going to look at today's events, and this is what it would look like for your calendar, whether you're using eVanced or RSS feed or iCal. Basically, any way that you have that calendar made available to your patrons, we're able to get that information as well and have it displayed in your app so that your patrons are informed of all the events going on at your library. And another important thing here is going to be knowing not only where the branches are, but also their hours of location. And it can use the device's GPS function to give them an idea of how far away they are from any branch. And if they just click on the one that they want, again, they're offered the option to call the library. They could tap on the location, and it'll pop up a map view, and they'll be able to see exactly where it is. They can zoom in and whatnot. It also gives them an idea of the different services that are available, and also, more importantly, the hours that the library is open. And you could also have this customized to give any of the special closure dates. So going back to the home screen here, the next feature I'd like to show you is actually going to be the social media. You see here that they got some external databases as well. But But let's say your patrons wanted to connect with you on Facebook, which is a great way for them to connect not only with you, but also engage with patrons who share similar interests, whether it be the library, or maybe they just share similar interests. And just to give you an idea of what it looks like here, you can see it pops up right here within the app. And if they were logged in, they'd be able to interact with anybody else that's chatting about the library and whatnot on Facebook. Social media is a great way. If you have a director's blog, we're able to incorporate that as well. So that pretty much concludes my demo today, and I look forward to hearing back from you.